Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to use GameStop gift card online. So here we are in GameStop and I am shopping for Pokemon cards. So right here we have a card that I want basically. So let's just say I want to add this to the cart right here. So add to cart and let's check out our cart once it's added and view cart and check out. So we can actually proceed to our checkout right here and use our actual GameStop gift card. So it's usable right here. So let's just do a guest checkout for now. So you'll enter your name right here and the shipping and then continue. So let's just place random things for a while and let's see if it works. So I have no idea what I'm just typing. OKH or state, just let's go with Oklahoma or something like that. So Oklahoma. I don't know any cities there, so I'll just leave it like that somewhere. So there. So you enter your email. Next is random email. So we will enter random emails from here and then phone number. So I will enter a phone number and save and continue. So they could not validate my address, so I'll just try this. So, anyways, whatever you do, and basically after this, you can do a quick checkout basically, and then enter the 19-digit code behind your GameStop gift card after this checkout. So, I cannot really proceed with the checkout because I don't know the location, but you will have to just enter that code and you will get a somewhat a discount if it's just not the full price, or you can get the whole thing off and you will pay by gift cards using your game card GiftStop online. So here, the GameStop gift card online will work at any item in their checkout. So there you go, guys, and that's how you do it.